How to set time limits for apps on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to set time limits for apps on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we should scroll down and find option Screen Time and tap on it. In the appearance menu we need to find option App Limits and tap on it as well. Here we should switch on option App Limits at the top. And then we should click on option Add Limit at the bottom. In the appearance menu you can select apps, all social apps for example, or some of them. For example, I will choose Messages. You can also choose from other categories. When you are ready, just tap on Next at the top right corner. Now just select the time limit, for example I will choose 3 hours. And then you should tap on Add at the top right corner. And that's all, it was how to set time limits for apps on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.